Welcome to Affordable Comfort's quick guide to mastering your Ecobee3 thermostat. In this series, we'll show you how easy it is to set up and use your thermostat to save energy, stay comfortable, and take full control of your home's heating and cooling. How to set up comfort settings on your Ecobee3. Start by tapping the main menu on your Ecobee3 thermostat. Select Comfort Settings. Here, you'll find presets like Home, Away, and Sleep. Tap on a preset and you can adjust the heating and cooling temperatures, and you can adjust the fan setting. Once you're happy with the adjustments, tap Save. You can also create new comfort settings for unique needs like a movie night or a workout room. That's it! Your Ecobee is now customized for your comfort. Be sure to check out our next video on setting up your weekly schedule.